everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here with my How to Kill a Kit with Style for October. So, no, September didn't work out too great. I only got one layout done, which you'll see right up here. So I still have a little bit left. So I am gonna roll this into October and get this killed. It's gonna be one of the first few layouts I do, hopefully, and yes, I'm gonna kill this. I'm determined. So that's part of it. And then I'm also going to bring in some Making Home stuff. So I have the Willow Lane and whatever this one was. What was this one? Flourish collection. I feel like they are very fallish and I can make them work for fall stuff. So I'm gonna bring them all in. I have a ton of stuff, a ton. So let me see here. And I've used these collections. It's not like I haven't used them. I just have so much left over. Hey, baby girl, just a second. So I have some alphas to use up. Yeah, so I have this and some scraps of paper. I've got some of the puffy stickers here. Chipboard. Hopefully I can kill that chipboard because there's not a ton. I could probably get that used up. Some of the stickers. Some more of the puffies. Paper. I love both sides of that. That's a hard one. This one is all the leftover embellishments that I have. So I have like one frame and then a bunch of the little stuff. And then I brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so 14 full sheets, and then like, what was that, 4 that have been used a little bit already for that one. And then this one, I basically what I have is the scrapbook.com exclusive times 2. So just a second, Nora. So I have 2 of the sticker sheets, 2 packs of the ephemera, so all of this times 2, and then the paper. Oh, also a magazine. Okay, and then the paper as well, times, I guess, like almost times 4, because, well, 3. I got 1 collection in full and 1 like half of it. So a lot of solids. I'll probably end up using a lot of it just as the cardstock colors, but I feel like I can make something with them and have some fun. So that is my plan, and hopefully I will have some fun layouts to share with you and get going on it. I'm sorry this is kind of a messy video. I'm trying to get everything filmed right now while Barrett is napping, nor you can see it's in my room, and there's lots of going on. So, but that is my plan for the month of October. Make sure you're hopping along and seeing everyone else's awesome kits, and I'll see you at the end of the month to see what I can come up with. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye.